If you're still cleaning spreadsheets by hand, writing formulas from scratch, or staring at a value error with no idea what went wrong, stop. ChatGPT does all of it in seconds. Here are 5 Excel jobs you never have to do manually again. Quick note before we start. You don't need a plugin or the paid Copilot. Just Excel or Google Sheets and the free ChatGPT. Copy out of your sheet, ask, paste back in. That's the whole loop. Let's go. Task 1. Cleaning messy data. We've all got that column, the same thing typed 5 different ways. NY, New York, lowercase, with periods. Normally, you fix these one row at a time. Instead, copy the whole column, drop it into ChatGPT, and say, standardize every value in this list to the full U.S. state name, return just the cleaned column, and there it is. Every variant collapsed into one clean value. Paste it straight back. 10 minutes of find and replace, gone in 10 seconds. Task 2. Formulas you can't remember how to write. XLOOKUP, nested ifs, index match. Nobody keeps that syntax in their head. So don't. Describe what you want in plain English. Write an Excel formula that looks up the price in Sheet 2 using the product ID in column A and shows not found if there's no match. ChatGPT hands you the exact formula, ready to paste, and even tells you what each part does. You go from, I think it's a VLOOKUP, to done, without a single Google search. Task 3. Summarizing data without touching a pivot table. Pivot tables are powerful and a pain. Instead, paste your raw rows and just ask. For example, summarize total sales by region and by month from this data. Show it as a clean table. Instant breakdown. Want it a different way? Ask again. Now show me the top 3 regions only. No dragging fields into little boxes. You just talk to your data. Task 4. Fixing the errors that ruin your afternoon. Value, ref, NA, that cryptic wall of hash marks. Instead of guessing, paste the formula and the error and ask, this formula returns a value error. Here's the formula and what I'm trying to do. What's wrong and how do I fix it? ChatGPT reads it, spots the mismatch, and gives you the corrected version with a one-line explanation. It's like having an Excel expert on call, for free. Task 5, my favorite, getting insights, not just numbers. You've got the data, but what does it mean? Paste it and ask, here's my monthly sales data. Tell me the 3 most important trends and one thing I should worry about. And suddenly you're not staring at a grid, you're reading a plain English brief. Trends, a warning, next steps. That's the difference between having data and actually using it. So that's 5 Excel jobs you can hand off today. The catch? It all comes down to knowing exactly what to type. So I put every prompt from this video in the description. Free, copy-paste ready. Grab it. The AI voice you're hearing is 11 Labs, also linked below if you want it. And subscribe, because next week I'll show you how to build a whole dashboard just by talking to ChatGPT. See you then.